Making sense. And this is Insights for Living. Welcome again. I am Pastor Chirsad. The Christian life is a life of faith. Many times we don't understand what's going on in our lives, or where God is leading us, or why He's telling us to do certain things that we need to do. And that's what happened in the life of Abraham, the father of our faith. God promised him a son, and the son was born to him in the old age. But one day, God told him to offer him as a sacrifice on a certain mountain. And this is what we read, what Abraham did. In Genesis 22, verses 9 and 10, it says, talking about Abraham, Isaac, and his servants. Then they came to the place of which God had told him. And Abraham built there an altar and placed the wood in order. And he bound Isaac his son and laid him upon the altar. Think of it. And Abraham stretched out his hand and took the knife to slay his son. Abraham obeyed. Of course, afterwards God intervened and stopped him from slaying his sons. Abraham might have wondered, how can God be so cruel? How can He give a son and take him back? Or ask him to offer as a sacrifice? But that was the test of Abraham's faith. Faith has to be tested. And many times God tests our faith. And we pass the test when we obey. Here we see many thoughts would have passed through Abraham's mind, that why did God ask me to do such a thing? He had waited for his son for 100 years for the birth of this child. He loved his son, of course. But then suddenly God told him to offer him as a sacrifice. But Abraham didn't hesitate. He knew God is in control. He knew even if he killed his son, God would raise him up and give him back to him. That was the faith of Abraham. And remember, Abraham didn't even have a Bible. But the point is, the lesson from this story is clear. It is not necessary to understand, it is only necessary to obey. Many times we don't understand why God is telling us to do certain things. The prophet Samuel reminds us to obey is better than sacrifice, and to heed or to hear than the fat of rams. 1 Samuel 15 and verse 22. Jesus said, if you love me, you will keep my commandments. John 14 and verses 15. So if God is calling you to take a step of faith that defies earthly wisdom, put obedience first and let logic catch up. Don't try to understand everything. Just step out in faith and do what God tells you to do. And that is faith. This is Insights for Living. And if you have been blessed or encouraged by this series, why don't you subscribe to our channel? Also, if you have your prayer request you want us to pray for, we'll be glad to pray for you. Until next time, I am Pastor Joseph Chirsad signing off.